If you're in the market for a cutting-edge electric vehicle, the Tesla Model Y should definitely be on your radar. In this video, I'll be diving into a dozen reasons why the Model Y is a top pick for anyone looking to upgrade their ride in 2023. From its innovative tech to its driving experience and performance, the Model Y is loaded with features that make it a standout choice in the EV market in 2023. Plus, with its spacious cargo capacity and comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers, the Model Y is a practical and versatile option for daily driving and long road trips alike. So if you want to learn more about what sets the Model Y apart from the competition and what makes it such an attractive option, be sure to give this video a watch. Reason number 1 is phone features. This has been by far the biggest convenience added to my life since owning the Model Y. Not having to carry around the key everywhere has been great because nowadays, if it's 2 things anybody is going to carry around with them, it's their phone and their wallet. And if you already didn't know, Teslas use Bluetooth to know when you're near the car and it automatically unlocks your car when you open the door. Then, when you get in the car, it knows your phone is already connected, and as soon as you put your foot on the brake, everything turns on. That is really cool, but I think the things you can do in your Tesla app from anywhere in the world are even cooler. You can do things like have your car come to you in the parking lot if you have purchased FSD, or do things like turn on the climate control system to heat or cool your car. You can even vent the windows, honk your horn, flash your lights, and even remote start your car from just your phone. Since all of the controls are with you at all times on your phone, there's no need for any sort of key fob. But if your phone was ever dead or something just happened to your phone, you'd still be able to use your Tesla keycard to manually lock or unlock the door. Next, let's talk about the glass roof. The Model Y boasts a stunning panoramic glass roof that really opens up the interior and gives you an unparalleled view of the sky. It's a great feature for long drives and really helps to create a sense of openness and airiness in the car. The glass roof is one of the standout features of the Model Y. The large glass panel that stretches from the front to the back of the car is made from high-strength tempered glass, so it's strong and durable, and it also has a tinted coating to help keep the interior cool and reduce glare. Also, the glass roof, in conjunction with the insane storage space, is just amazing. With 76 cubic feet of storage, it has more than enough room to hold all of your gear and luggage. This is thanks to several design features that help maximize storage space, such as a hatchback design and the inclusion of a frunk and a sub-trunk in the rear. The hatchback design of the Model Y is especially convenient as it allows you to easily access the cargo area. This is great for loading and unloading larger items as you don't have to worry about fitting them through a narrow opening. When it comes to performance, Teslas are in a league of their own, and this is a third reason to purchase one. With instant torque and impressive acceleration, Teslas are designed to deliver a thrilling driving experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or darting through city traffic, a Tesla will provide the level of performance that other comparable cars simply cannot match to its caliber. In terms of performance, Teslas are known for their impressive acceleration and handling. With instant torque and advanced aerodynamics, a Tesla can out-accelerate many sports cars and offer a smooth, exhilarating ride, all while being a practical daily driver that can comfortably seat up to 5 people. One of the factors in a Tesla's performance is the electric powertrain. Unlike a traditional internal combustion engine, which relies on a complex network of gears and mechanical parts to generate power, a Tesla's electric powertrain uses high-speed electric motors to directly drive the wheels. This allows the Tesla to deliver instant torque and smooth, seamless acceleration. The fourth reason to purchase a Model Y is a driving experience. One of the things that really sets the Tesla Model Y apart is just how fun and enjoyable it is to drive it. As I just mentioned, its quick acceleration and smooth handling makes it a car that's a pleasure to drive on winding roads. The electric powertrain of the Model Y gives it instant torque and plenty of power, which is why you can really have some fun behind the wheel. But the Model Y is more than just a car for spirited driving. It's also a great choice for everyday driving, thanks to its advanced driver assistance systems. These systems, such as autopilot and adaptive cruise control, give you a peace of mind on the highway and can help take some of the burden off of the driver in certain situations. Whether you're commuting to work or going on a road trip, the Model Y is a car that you'll look forward to driving every day. It's a combination of performance and convenience that makes it a truly standout vehicle in its class. Range is always a top concern for electric vehicle owners, and the Model Y does not disappoint. With a range of up to 330 miles on a single charge for the long-range model, you will have plenty of juice to get where you need to go without worrying about running out of power. This is thanks to its advanced electric powertrain and efficient design, which helps maximize the distance you can travel on a single charge. The Model Y also has several energy-saving features such as regen braking that help to extend the range even further. Personally, I've never had any issues with range anxiety in my Model Y Performance with its rated range of 303 miles, as I've always had more than enough range to get me where I need to go. In fact, one of the great things about electric vehicles is how convenient it is to charge them at home. By plugging it in at the end of each day, you can wake up to a charged car every morning, which is a huge convenience. If you have a Tesla or are planning to get one, I highly recommend the Tesla wall connector as it provides the fastest and most convenient home charging experience. Safety is always a top priority, and the Model Y delivers it in spades. It has a 5-star safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration thanks to its advanced safety features such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and autopilot, which help keep you and your passengers safe on the road. The Model Y also has a number of structural and design features that help protect the occupants in the event of a collision, including a strong, rigid body structure and a low center of gravity. Additionally, the Model Y can automatically steer, accelerate, or brake to avoid or lessen a collision. The car is also almost impossible to flip over thanks to its battery pack across the length of the floor. The front trunk area, which creates a larger crumple zone in case of a forward crash, is also another structural design that significantly improves safety. But the lack of an engine is not the only factor contributing to Tesla's impressive safety record. The overall structure of the vehicle also plays a role. Teslas have a low center of gravity thanks to the heavy battery pack and electric motors sitting low in the vehicle, making them difficult to roll over. Also, the car's glass roof is incredibly strong, able to resist up to 20,000 pounds of force, which is more than the weight of 5 Model 3s stacked on top of each other. Speaking of safety, the Model Y also comes with Sentry Mode, a feature that uses the car's cameras to monitor for potential threats while it's parked. If it detects anything out of the ordinary, it will alert the owner and even have recorded video for later review. This can be a great way to deter would-be thieves or vandals and give you a peace of mind while your car is parked. Sentry Mode adds a unique layer of protection to Tesla vehicles by continuously monitoring the environment around the car when it's left unattended. When enabled, Sentry Mode enters a standby state, like many home alarm systems, which uses a car's external cameras to detect potential threats. You can also view Sentry Mode live from your phone and honk and flash your lights, and even broadcast audio from your phone through the external speakers of your Tesla. If you're an electric vehicle owner, you know how important it is to have a reliable network of charging stations. The Model Y has access to Tesla's extensive network of superchargers, which can get you up to 200 miles in just 15 minutes. Tesla has over 40,000 superchargers that are located along major highways and a lot of other areas, so you'll never be too far from a charging station. Tesla's network of superchargers is much larger and faster than any other electric car manufacturer's charging infrastructure, which allows Tesla owners to travel much further and with less inconvenience. The superchargers are also much cheaper than gas, making them a more affordable option for long road trips. With a Tesla, you can easily travel long distances without having to worry about running out of juice or spending a fortune on fuel. Autopilot is another standout feature of the Model Y. It's Tesla's advanced driver assistance system that allows the car to handle a variety of driving tasks on its own, including steering, acceleration, and braking. It's not a fully autonomous system, but it can definitely help take some of the burden off of the driver in certain situations. These situations include highway driving or stop-and-go traffic. Autopilot is activated by tapping on the right stalk 2 times and can be customized to suit the driver's preferences. It's a great feature for long drives or when you just want a little extra help on the road. And the best part is, Tesla is constantly updating the software, so it'll only get better with time. Future-proofing and constantly improving are yet another reason to purchase a Tesla. One of the great things about Tesla vehicles is that they are constantly improving through over-the-air software updates. These updates can add new features, improve performance, and enhance the overall driving experience. By buying a Tesla, you're not just getting a great car now, you're also getting a vehicle that will continue to evolve and improve over time. This makes Tesla a future-proof investment that will stay current and relevant for years to come. This means that you can get new features and improvements for your Model Y without having to visit a dealership or service center. Teslas regularly receive software updates that add new features or improve existing ones, and these updates can be installed automatically via a wireless connection. Some examples of updates that have been released in the past include new autopilot features, improved range, and new infotainment features. It's a convenient way to keep your Model Y up to date and ensure you have access to the latest and greatest features. The interior of the Model Y is a standout feature that really sets it apart from other cars in its class. With its sleek and modern design, it's a great place to spend time and really feels like a step up from other EVs in its class. One of the things that really stands out about the Model Y's interior is its spacious, open layout. The car has comfortable and supportive seats and a large, airy cabin that feels roomy and inviting. This is thanks to the Model Y's panoramic glass roof, which really opens up the interior and gives you a great view of the sky above. It's a great feature for long drives and really helps create a sense of openness and airiness in the car. In addition to a spacious and minimalistic layout, the Model Y also has a number of high-tech features that add to the overall driving experience. These include a large touchscreen display for infotainment and a premium sound system which provide easy access to a variety of media options and deliver clear, high-quality sound. Overall, the Model Y's interior is a standout feature that really sets it apart from other cars in its class. And last but not least, the convenience of ordering a Model Y is hard to beat. You can do it all online, from configuring your car to financing and even delivery. It's a hassle-free process that Tesla has made to get behind the wheel of this amazing vehicle by allowing you to do everything online. You can choose your exact specifications / add-ons, your financing options, and even have it delivered right to your doorstep. It eliminates the traditional headache and uncertainty of haggling with a dealer, worrying about hidden fees, and the possibility of being conned out of your purchase. It's a convenient way to buy a car that really sets Tesla apart from other automakers, where you have to spend hours haggling with a dealer and navigating the uncertain waters of traditional car buying. The Tesla Model Y is a truly exceptional vehicle that offers a range of benefits for anyone in the market for an EV in 2023. If you're in the market for an electric vehicle, definitely be sure to check out the Tesla Model Y for yourself. The Model Y is packed with features that make it a standout choice in the EV market. If you found this video to be useful and want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on the Model Y. I'd love to hear what you think about it and whether you're considering purchasing one for yourself. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.